Hello, my friend. I am happy you are here tonight. You are safe. You are not alone. I am here with you. Tonight, we will talk about letting go of the past. The past can feel heavy. The past can feel painful. But you do not have to carry it forever. You can breathe. You can rest. You can let go. Sometimes, the past is like a heavy bag. We carry it on our back. Old memories, old mistakes, old pain. The bag is heavy. The bag makes us tired. The bag slows us down. But the truth is, we do not have to carry it forever. We can put the bag down. We can walk lighter. Imagine a river. The water flows forward. It never goes back. It always moves ahead. Life is like the river. Time moves forward. We cannot return to yesterday. We cannot change what has passed. But we can choose today. We can choose tomorrow. We can let the river carry away the past. Take a deep breath in. Hold it softly. Now breathe out. As you breathe in, imagine fresh air entering. As you breathe out, imagine old pain leaving. Breathe in peace. Breathe out sadness. Breathe in light. Breathe out darkness. Every breath helps you let go. Every breath makes you lighter. There was once a girl who dropped her favorite cup. It broke into pieces. She felt sad. She wanted to fix it, but she could not. The cup was gone. The past was gone. At first, she cried every day. She looked at the broken pieces. She wished it was whole again. But one day, she saw the sunrise. She smiled. She thought, "The cup is gone, but the morning is here. Life continues." And her heart became light again. The past cannot be fixed, but life can still bring beauty. Sometimes, the past hurts because of mistakes. Your mistakes, other people's mistakes. But remember, you are human. We all make mistakes. We all learn. Forgive yourself. Forgive others. Not because the past was right, but because you deserve peace. Let forgiveness set you free. Memories can return. They can make your heart heavy. They can make your eyes wet. But memories are not the present. Memories are not the future. They are only shadows. They cannot control you. You can look at them. You can thank them. And you can let them go. Close your eyes now. Imagine holding a balloon. The balloon is filled with your past pain. Now open your hand. Let the balloon rise into the sky. Watch it go higher. Watch it go farther until it disappears. Your past has floated away. You are lighter now. You are free. A traveler walked with a heavy bag. Inside the bag were old stones. Every stone was a memory. Every stone was a regret. The bag was so heavy, the traveler could not move fast. The traveler could not enjoy the road. One day, the traveler stopped. The traveler opened the bag, and one by one, The traveler put the stones down. With every stone, the traveler felt lighter. With every stone, the traveler felt freer. Soon, the traveler walked with joy because the traveler had let go of the past. Let us say soft words together. I let go of the past. I am free from old pain. I am not my mistakes. I am growing every day. I forgive myself. I forgive others. I choose peace. I choose light. I choose tomorrow. Repeat these slowly. Let them enter your heart. The past may try to speak. The past may try to return, but you can whisper, "Thank you, past. You taught me, but I do not need you now." You are free to rest. You are free to sleep. You are free to dream without the past. Rest tonight. Wake tomorrow. Light, free, and new. Think of your heart as a garden. In the past, weeds grew there. Pain, regret, fear. But you can pull the weeds out. You can plant new flowers. Flowers of peace. Flowers of love. Flowers of joy. Slowly, the weeds disappear. Slowly, the flowers grow. Slowly, your heart becomes beautiful again. This is the power of letting go. Close your eyes once more. See yourself standing on a bridge. Behind you is the past. Ahead of you is tomorrow. You turn your face forward. You walk across the bridge. You leave the past behind. You move into the light. You are safe. You are free. You are at peace. My friend, you do not need to carry yesterday. You do not need to carry mistakes. You do not need to carry pain. You can let go. You can breathe. You can rest. Tonight, sleep with peace. Tonight, dream with freedom. Tonight, let the past go. Tomorrow is new. Tomorrow is open. Tomorrow is waiting for you. Good night. Sleep well.